thing I think you're going to fight is as you get that path to begin to change, it's still going to be uncomfortable to get you to align yourself with the target.
Yeah.
You're still going to want to kind of aim right and play the old way that you, the old sweeping draw. So I think what's going to be important for us, moving next that you're getting comfortable with the path, is really get ourselves in a setup position and with the target clearly defined. So if we can kind of lay it out where the target is set there, give you a visual aid, and then try to align your feet, hips, and shoulders left of that to really work on your pre-shot, getting yourself set up to get you away from the old habits. So I think what you're going to struggle with is in practice when you're set up correctly and you're taking your time, you're focusing on it, you'll go back to when you play and when you're moving too fast, you might start aiming yourself back to the right side and get back to what's comfortable. So when we're practicing, if you can really focus on maybe going through the routine and getting set up appropriately, and that will lead to allowing your body to do what we're trying to get it to do. So just maybe some shots here where you get your alignment set up, and then you make the swings with that path feeling that we've been working on.
Okay.
Really with some visual targets directly in front of you to get you out of that aim right sweeping draw. So a little better, right? Started right though still.
Yeah.
So maybe really get those shoulders to really clear. So go ahead and set up the golf ball. And so if I were to go ahead and make a swing, practice swing.
Okay.
If I were to stand out here, could you make a practice swing here where you finish and the club and your body are pointing to me over here?
Yeah.
Right, so really focus on pointing that club out with the body fully rotated, and that'll help promote that path to get more out and get that golf ball starting more on a target line. So it's really feeling as if that upper body is going through and you're finishing right there, much more synced up with the correct alignment. Beauty. So that started right in your target. Still a little bit of draw, maybe a little toe strike.
Yeah.
Just a bit on the toe.
Yeah, that's my problem.
Yeah. And that's what you'll fight. But if we can get ourselves to line up left and more appropriate, I think you'll notice that it allows your body, frees your body up to make the move that we're trying to make.
Okay.
So it's just really getting away from that aim right, sweep and draw type motion that you seem to fight at times.
Yeah, it felt better.
Much better, right?
Yeah.
It's even a little bit more solid of a strike.
Yeah.
Now you're getting a little bit more on top of the golf ball rather than being so stuck underneath.
Yeah, I see the flight going down too.
Yeah, flight goes down a little bit more penetrating, a little bit more spin, a little bit more control too.
Yeah.
Anytime we can get that curve off of it, it's only going to help us, you know?
Great.
The same thing, just keep hitting a few here. And you can even mess with it and maybe trying to get yourself to aim
Left.
a little left. Yeah,
Okay.
see what happens there. Last thing we want to see is a pull hook. Good, so not much curve on that ball.
No.
And it's really starting on a nice line. That looks really good. One more swing, and try to exaggerate that move where you're hitting it and stopping with the club pointing at me and your upper body fully rotated.
Okay.
Feel as if you're pointing at something out there to the left. It's really the only way you're going to get there is if you start feeling the motion where you're getting on top of the ball and then right there, just ripping through it. Really good. So really good there. Now that pass getting much more close to zero, you know, getting out of that high 6, 7, 8 range,
Right.
controlling the face is now going to be a lot easier. You might feel it's easier to control the face.
Yeah, I
Right.
can definitely feel it.
So there's a lot less hand action, rotation through the
It's
shot.
almost like I'm manipulating the face with my body.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Let your upper body, let your big muscles really control that club face.
Yeah.
And it's almost as if you're kind of holding it off now.
For me, it feels like I'm not letting that toe shut down.
Right. And letting that upper body move through is really going to promote that. So a little fat.
Yeah.
And that was a little bit dumped underneath. And you can even incorporate kind of what we've been doing for the majority of this today, is incorporate that
Yeah.
on top of it. And it removes some thought out of it and allows you to just kind of set up on those lines and then make your swing. Beauty. Best one, yeah, I really like that one.